This is the boys 400. We have 2 running. Come on, buddy.
What 100?
400. Come on, Harris. You guys are doing good. Don't worry. They just came off the 4x1 and they're doing the 400. They're tired, but they're doing good. Come on. Come on, guys.